Enugu set for major transport and tourism overhaul as Enugu Air, CNG buses and terminals launch in May State to also begin major sports infrastructure projects, tourism revamp and youth empowerment initiatives. Enugu State is poised to enter a new era of transportation and tourism as Governor Peter Mbah's administration prepares to commission multiple large-scale infrastructure projects before the second anniversary of the government, scheduled for May 29, 2025. At a recent press briefing following the Enugu State Executive Council meeting at Government House, key cabinet members announced sweeping developments across the transportation, tourism, sports, and youth sectors. Enugu. Air ready for takeoff, according to the Commissioner for Transportation, Dr. Obi Ozor.
The state-owned airline Enugu Air will commence operations before the end of May. The project marks the first time in Enugu's history that the state will own and operate its own commercial airline. We are starting off with 3 aircraft. 2 are already on ground, and the 3rd will arrive before the end of the month, Ozor said. Commercial flights will begin before the administration's 2nd anniversary, marking a major milestone in our transportation agenda.
CNG-powered mass transit program kicks off in a bold step towards sustainable transportation. Enugu's new compressed natural gas CNG mass transit program will also launch in May. Ozor confirmed that the state has already acquired 100 modern CNG-powered buses, 50 of which are parked at Okpara Square and ready for deployment. The remaining 50 will arrive in the coming weeks. These buses will be part of a clean, affordable mass transit network that spans the entire state, said Ozor. They are designed to reduce fuel dependency and cut down on emissions significantly. 2. Support the new transport system. The state has also built 5 state-of-the-art bus terminals, 2 at Holy Ghost, and 1 each at Gariki, Abakpa, and Nsukka. All terminals are set to become operational before the end of May. Electric vehicle plant and smart transport vision. Looking toward the future, Dr. Ozor revealed the state's ambitious plan to attract an electric and CNG vehicle manufacturing plant to Enugu. In addition, the Enugu Smart Transport Program, slated to launch within the next 150 days, will introduce over 2,000 electric vehicles into the state's transportation grid. This initiative will place Enugu at the forefront of sustainable transportation in West Africa, Ozor emphasized. Massive tourism projects to transform Enugu into a destination hub. Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Dame Ugochi Madweke, announced the commencement of a multi-phase tourism development plan set to position Enugu as a premier tourist destination in Nigeria. Highlights of the first phase include Overhaul waterfall will be developed with a canopy walkway and boardwalk, preserving the natural ecosystem while enhancing visitor experience. Nsud Pyramids, site of Nigeria's first-ever 600-meter canopy walkway, the longest in the country. Ngwo Pine Forest, home to Nigeria's first 300-meter zipline, plus large and small rotundas for events and recreation. Cross of Hope at Okpatu, a monumental cross structure to be built 580 meters above sea level, standing 50 meters tall with 15 floors and an elevator, making it a towering symbol of faith and peace. Akwuke, Atakwu Water Park and the Ovu Lake Gulf. And resort at Akpaufu will also feature in this development wave. All tourism sites will be equipped with renewable energy sources, experience centers, food courts, and eco-friendly amenities. Tour buses will soon be deployed to ease movement between attractions. Sports infrastructure. Enugu prepares for national stages. The state prepares to host the 23rd National Sports Festival, Coal City Games, in 2026, the Commissioner for Youth and Sports Development Bar, Lloyd Ekweremadu, confirmed that work will begin in earnest in June at the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium and the Augu Games Village. These upgrades are not just for the National Sports Festival, Ekweremadu said. They are part of a long-term vision to make Enugu a hub for national and international sporting events, youth empowerment, and digital innovation initiatives. Enugu State is also making major investments in youth and innovation. A state-of-the-art animation lab has been completed and will be commissioned soon to empower young creatives in digital media, animation, and tech-based storytelling. In addition, over 2,100 young people who underwent skills training in December 2024 will be empowered with startup tools and support on August 12th. In celebration of International Youth Day, we are not just training them, we are equipping them to create businesses, jobs, and opportunities in every corner of the state, Ekweremadu added. a vision of modernization and inclusivity, with a comprehensive roadmap that touches aviation, clean energy, tourism, sports, youth development, and digital infrastructure. Enugu, under Governor Peter Mba, is laying the foundation for a modern, inclusive, and economically dynamic state. The upcoming projects promise to transform the state into a regional transport and tourism hub, generate jobs, improve quality of life, and solidify Enugu's status as a forward-looking leader among Nigerian states. Want to become a travel content creator or launch your own channel? You don't need 1 million views or thousands of subscribers to start earning right away. If you're dreaming of sharing your travel stories and getting paid to do it, but don't know where to begin, let's chat. Book a one-on-one clarity call now and get paired with an experienced team lead to guide you every step of the way. Check the description box for the call purchase link.